Hello, my dear children and parents. Welcome to class 6th of Indus Valley Public School, Rat. So, my dear children, today we are going to study about our wonderful character about Kalpana Chawla. So, we will be studying the lesson number 4 from your honeysuckle, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. So, my dear children, before starting with the lesson, I would like to ask you, what is space? Everybody have heard this name, I think so. Space, एक खाली जगह. बोलते ना, give me some space. Means we want some space. We want some area to move. Okay. So now, according to this lesson, according to the scientific term, we can say that space is everything in the universe that is beyond the top of the Earth's atmosphere, like the moon, the satellite, the galaxies, etc., or anything between the heavenly bodies. ठीक है? That means एक खाली जगह. So now in this story, we will be learning about the Kalpana Chawla. She was an Indian, but after getting married to an American, she became Indian American woman, and she was the first lady who went to space, and some mishappening happened while returning. So we will be learning, we will be seeing how she managed her studies for aeronauticals and how she became a astronaut. Okay, my dear children. So here we are going to start with the lesson. So now this lesson tells us a tragic incident that had happened. In this, an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, the magical woman, was the part of the international crew board in the US space shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. I have already explained to you. So my dear children, now moving to the things, let's see. Come here, something is mentioned. Look into this pink part. A space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel, for example between Earth and space station. Okay, so what is space shuttle? It is like a flight that used to move from Earth to the space. So now it's your homework to find out some of the word, like what is naturalized US citizen. एक होता है inborn, एक होता है naturalized, so you have to find out. Then space, what do you mean by space? I have explained you right now. Frontiers of the space, what do you mean by frontier? Find out the meaning. Aboard, then lift off and how it is different from take off. Okay, once you will find out, and the next video I'll explain you the meanings and the answers for this question, but you have to do by yourself. At least you will find out the meanings and the word, how it is different from each other. Okay, and in this lesson we will be seeing the difference between the British English and the American English. There is not much different, a little bit difference is there, like the spelling of color, COLOUR, where LOUR is there, that is for British. When it went COLOR, that is for American English. Both the spellings are correct, only the accents are different. Okay, so COLOUR is for British, COLOR is for American. Okay, only this is the difference. Now the first, here look into the first block. It is a article that was in the newspaper, so it is the newspaper report. Now see what is there mentioned. See, so in an unprecedented space tragedy, unprecedented means unique or the first time. So this type of tragedy, it was happened first time in the history. And what was that? We will be reading. US space satellite Columbia, carrying Indian born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others, broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday. So now what happened there? In this space shuttle, Kalpana was there and 6 more people were sitting. But what happened? This shuttle broke into pieces and everywhere flames were there. What is the flames? You have seen no candle flame, means everywhere lapat law rehna aaki. So because it was crashed, so everywhere flames were there, and 7 people were there. 7 people were there in that space shuttle, and the shuttle was crashed. And when they were returning from their trip, when they already performed their work in the space, and when they were returning and they spotted in Texas, and on Saturday 1st of February 2003, killing all 7 on board. So when this shuttle was crashed, all the 7 people who were sitting there, they were killed. Okay. The shuttle lost contact with NASA. What is the full form of NASA? It's National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and it was created in 1958. So now what happened? So it is that the shuttle lost the contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. as it came in for landing. So it was the time. Then this shuttle was not in contact, means कोई उसको reach नहीं कर पा रहा था at that time. And when this shuttle was in the contact last time, at that time it was in the height of 2 lakhs feet and traveling at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. So it was flying at an altitude, means height of over 2 lakhs feet and traveling at over 20 kilometers per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Last time जब contact किया गया था उस shuttle से, तो उसकी height क्या थी? 2 lakhs feet and the speed was 20,000 kilometer. Okay. Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from Kennedy Space Center, Florida. So when it started on 16 January 2003. Okay. So this space started on 16 January 2003 from which place? From Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It stayed in the orbit. Orbit means track, उस रास्ते पे. कितने दिन रही? For 16 days and 7 members crew conducted 80 experiments. So when they were in that orbit, when they were in that mission, they have completed how many experiments? 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, before they started to return back, which ended in tragedy. So when they were returning, it was a tragedy, it was a misfortune, means एक हादसा होना. This was Columbia's 28th space flight and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. So this was so good कि 100 flights के बराबर थी वो shuttle में काबिलियत. That shuttle was too good that can be compared to the capacity of the 100 flights. Okay. So this is what mentioned in this news article. Now children, coming to the first paragraph, Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Colonel that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore College. So she is saying that she is very lucky as she did this education in astronautical, because she never thought that her parents would ever allow to attend her college after the engineering college. So she is saying it was my dream only. She never thought that she will be studying about the space, but her parents allowed her to attend the study of the space after her engineering college. So she is very thankful to them. Okay, now coming to the second paragraph, it is said that after her Bachelor's of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering, so when she completed her degree in science, in which engineering? Aeronautical means the study of space. Okay. Against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. So her father was not liking her to send to America for the further studies, but she managed to convince them and even her father was not in the favor to send her, but she went there and completed her master degrees in the same field. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. So now she has also done the PhD, means बहुत अच्छी डिग्री करना उस पर, everything she research in the space knowledge. Okay, now what happened? Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. Now the difference between lift off is there, it's a direct, जैसे रॉकेट जाता है ना सीधे, तो that is lift off. जब प्लेन होती है that is take off, जो थोड़ा सा तिरछा जाना, and रॉकेट की तरह जो जाता है एकदम सीधा that is lift off. Okay, so now what happened here? So when she completed her this thing degree, after the father's opposition also, she went for the master degree to the United States of America. And then after completing that degree in aeronautical engineering, she did her PhD also. And she was the first Indian American woman as an astronaut to take off from a rocket launching site at Cape Canaveral, Canaveral, Florida, for a successful mission in space. And then her family from India cheered along because she was in Florida. Then her family from India cheered her along with the staff at Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. So they all were praising, and her family members were praising and cheering her daughter, her girl, because she was on a mission. Okay, now third paragraph. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana. So where she was born? She was born in Karnal. And where is Karnal? Karnal in Haryana. But was a naturalized citizen, married to flight instructor John Pierre Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes and gliders. So she was an astronaut, but she was also licensed, means she also learned how to fly airplanes, single, multi-engine airplanes and seaplanes and the glider. She also earned the degrees in all these vehicles to fly. Okay, she was also a certified flight instructor. She was also a instructor in the flight. She also did the education in that. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge. So after being a pilot, she also have a challenge. What kind of challenge? She applied for NASA Space Shuttle program, and she was the first hired as a research scientist as NASA. So she was a pilot also, and then after doing the pilot degree, she has also applied for NASA, and she was selected in NASA, and she was the first girl who was hired by the NASA as a scientist. So in 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. So there she was selected by NASA for the astronaut training. Okay, so this is what there in the paragraph. Now coming to the next, fourth paragraph. When asked what it was like being a woman in a field, she replied. So when somebody asks there ki being a woman in her field, what is her feeling? So what she is telling that she really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. So now she is saying she never thought when she was doing her studies that a woman from a very small place और फ्रॉम अ वेरी डिफरेंट कंट्री विल रीच सच अ हाइट. इतनी ऊंचाइयों पे जाएगी एक छोटी सी जगह की लड़की, एक कभी भी इतनी ऊंचाइयों को छुएगी. शी नेवर थॉट. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. So she is saying everybody is having a dream. So I was also having a dream and I have focused on my dream and I followed my dream. जब आप कुछ सोचते हो मुझे ये बनना है, I have to do this thing, then you have to work hard on that particular field and you have to follow that rules and regulation and that path. So similarly she also followed the same path. She also, because she dreamt to be an astronaut, so she followed the same path, how to be there, how to become that, what all studies she had to do. So she had done all that things, even her parents were not allowing, but she any which ways convinced them and went for the further studies. And people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. So she is saying कि I was lucky enough that whosoever was around me, my parents, my family, everyone, they have supported me in all the way, and they said, okay, if you want to become an astronaut, go ahead, we are going to support. So she is saying that she was lucky enough to have such a family, such the supporters who always encouraged her to the path where she wants to be. Okay, now coming to the fifth paragraph. Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. So this is the duration of her space mission. What was the duration? 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. इतने time का उसका वो mission हुआ. This was the duration. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times. How many times? 16 days में 15 days में 16 hours में 34 minutes में उसने कितना घूमा? 252 times. Travel 10.45 million kilometer. How many? 10.45 kilometer. The crew include a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. तो उस crew में Japanese भी थे and Ukrainian astronaut भी थे. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and tests for making strong metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. So what kind of experiment they did? They have taken the seeds and checked the plantation in the space, and they have also tested for strong metals and to make the computer chips faster. And all this thing costed how much? What was the amount for the all this thing experiment? It was something around $56 million. Okay, so what they did on the in this space, they have experimented the pollinating of the plants, their growth, then they have tested for the strong metals and for the faster computer chips. ठीक है, एक तरह की चिप्स होती है तो कंप्यूटर में लगाई जाए तो वो कितने फास्ट परफॉर्म करेगी. सो ऑल दिस थिंग दे वर डूइंग in that tenure, in that duration. Okay, so now coming to the next paragraph, sixth paragraph. So now on this Saturday night when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. The town of Colonel spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. So it was a disaster. That shuttle got crashed and the disaster news broke out on when? On the Saturday night, and everybody was shocked and disbelieved. Disaster means a sudden accident or a natural calamities that causes damages or loss to the life. So it was a disaster. Disbelief means where you cannot believe for such kind of happening. जिस तरह से वो disaster हुआ, nobody was expecting कि this was going to happen. So now what in the town of Colonel, because she belongs to Colonel, so everybody's night was sleepless. Everybody was sitting in front of the television and they were viewing the news. whatever the highlights were coming for that crash, and everybody was expecting that Kalpana and other crewmen somehow survived. मीन्स सारे लोग सोच रहे थे कि वो लोग बच जाएं, कल्पना और जितने भी क्रू मेंबर्स थे, ग्रुप थी, जो उनकी टीम थी, दे शुड सर्वाइव, दे शुड नॉट, नथिंग शुड हैपन टू देम, because every now and then they were watching the highlights that was coming on the television. Everybody was sitting in front of the television and nobody went to sleep. Okay, and everybody was expecting that they should not be dead, they should be surviving. Then a journalist wrote. Now there was a journalist who wrote something about Kalpana Chawla. Let's see what he wrote. She was a heroine, means she was wonderful lady. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. Enormous means a huge ability, means required a hard, deadly dedication to become that astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything. For becoming an astronaut, you should be aware of each and everything, from biology to astrophysics to astronaut engineering. Biology you should know physics also, you know many other space terms and all, everything it should be known to a person. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Means full knowledge. Encyclopedic means a comprehensive, a complete knowledge of everything. मीन्स क्या आपके साइंटिफिक टर्म्स होंगे, क्या फिजिकल टर्म्स होंगे, क्या बायोलॉजिकल टर्म्स होंगे, क्या स्पेस से रिलेटेड टर्मिनोलॉजीज होंगी. यू शुड नो एवरीथिंग टू बिकम एन एस्ट्रोनॉट. यू शुड हैव अ कंप्लीट नॉलेज ऑफ एवरीथिंग. हर अचीवमेंट इज आउ इंस्पायरिंग. Means it was amazing, it was remarkable. Her achievements, whatever she have achieved, it was really very good. So astrophysics, it's all the studies related to the nature of body like stars, galaxies and all. Okay, so whatever the experience she had, whatever she have achieved, it was remarkable, it was amazing, it was stunning, it was very nice. Okay, so now coming to the last paragraph, that is, for millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration. Inspiration means encouragement, motivation. Is a message that she sent from abroad, the space shuttle Columbia, to the students of a college in Chandigarh. So now when she was there in the space, she sent a message to the students of a college that was in Chandigarh. What she said, what was the message? Let's see. The path from dream to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. Means message was there, the path from dream to success. Everybody have a dream, but उस ड्रीम के रास्ते को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए, तो मैं ड्रीम से सक्सेस तक जाने के लिए रास्ता होता है. द पाथ फ्रॉम ड्रीम टू सक्सेस डज एग्जिस्ट. आपके सपनों का रास्ता होता है साकार करने के लिए, बट मे यू हैव द विजन टू फाइंड इट, द करेज टू गेट ऑन. बट फॉर दैट यू शुड हैव अ विजन, you should have a courage to move on that path. Okay, and then she is wishing you a great journey for that path. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dream. So she was sure that after this message, many will go ahead and will start their journey. So what was the message given by Kalpana to her student in Chandigarh? The message was that the path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get on to it, wishing you a great journey. Okay, so here Kalpana's stories stimulated, means inspired thousands of young minds to do something creative and innovative. She touched the skies and became an inspiration, a motivation for many people, for many children, for many students. She even sent a message from Columbia to her students, and the message was that the path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it, wishing you a great journey. So there must be many people who might have even started their journey to make the dreams a reality. Okay children, So this is out there in the lesson Kalpana Chawla. It's inspirative lesson. So read the chapter, go through the chapter, and I have given you some word in the starting. Please do complete that and send me. Okay, in the next video I'll give you the summary of the lesson, difficult word meanings, and the question answers of the lesson. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you so much.